Okay, here is a 2015 Toyota Sienna LE, and this latch is broken, so it either stays closed or stays open. So I created a fix. Take off the cup holder, put it inside. This will just come up and you will see all the parts needed here. And this part was still good, so I'm going to use it again. There it is, got it. And then this part, if you see, I replaced it with copper tubing. It was a piece of plastic on the outside ends, not on the inside. Hopefully it works. So we're going to give that a try. Oh yeah, I drilled with a 162, I believe. Really tiny, 1/32. So we're going to put this back together here, and there's a spring load, so be careful with that. Go this way, and we pop that in place. There we go. Now we'll have the reaction. Perfect. Now I'm going to line this up here. Should just go right in. Down. Don't press the button all the way down just yet. Just kind of barely inserting it, lighten up with the spring to allow space for the tab, which is here. Now we're going to slide that in place. Perfect. Then push it all the way in, push the knob down, and we got some business going on. No, we don't. Now, after a little manipulation, looks like it's going to work. We'll put it back together and see if it works. There, it works like this, like it's supposed to. Here you can see the mechanism. I sprayed a little bit of furniture polish to lubricate it. Be sure not to use like WD-40, or that's bad plastic. Looks like it's going to work like a charm. Let's see how it works when we put it back together. See if it works. Open, close, open. I find that it's gentler on the clip to close it on the left or the right, as opposed to trying to slam it here. You might break that tip. So I recommend there, especially the repair. All right, there you go. 22 cents part of copper wire. The rest was labor. Good luck, people.